Hey guys, this is Steve from Trim That Weed, and welcome to our review of the Remington RM1035P electric pole saw. Stick around until the end of the video to know our final verdict on whether it's worth it. Remington RM1035P Overview. Do you have trees around your yard? If yes, you might need to cut the branches from time to time. You can do this easily with the help of this Remington electric pole saw. Since this comes in a detachable design, it can easily convert from a chainsaw into a pole saw. It has a 10-inch low-kick bar that's quite reliable during pruning and trimming. You can easily adjust the lower and upper poles using the available lock clamps in this electric pole saw. Since this model features an 8-amp motor, it can help you cut through branches effortlessly. It comes with a detachable handle that enhances maneuverability and includes a throttle control. Thanks to the inclusion of a non-slip grip, you can prune comfortably. Use the tool-free tensioner to loosen the saw chain when not in use to prevent oil from seeping through it. What we liked: it has a good design. The pole saw is easy to maintain. It has a non-slip grip. The pole saw operates quietly. It is electric powered. What we didn't like: the pole saw is heavy. Extending it is a bit difficult. Remington RM1035P specifications. From the table, you can tell that this is a powerful pole saw based on its motor. You can also tell that this is a heavy pole saw. Therefore, it is not the best for extended cutting sessions, since it can cause fatigue. Remington RM1035P features: functionality. This 2-in-1 model can work as both a pole saw and a chainsaw. You only need to use the push button to convert it to a chainsaw without needing any extra tools. So this makes it easy for you to cut the branches on the ground. The Remington RM1035P also features a handle that makes it easy to maneuver during cutting. You'll also notice a branch hook on the saw head of this model. This is useful in tearing and cutting off branches. Design. This pole saw comes in a detachable design. If you want to use it in the pole saw mode, you can easily adjust the height. This Remington pole saw comes with lock clamps and telescopic poles that allow you to set it up to the height you prefer. Feel free to adjust the lower or upper poles. The extendable pole can offer a maximum reach of about 10 inches. Therefore, you can rely on this pole saw to trim trees of different heights without struggling. Low kickback. You can cut through twigs and branches with minimal kickback. This is because the electric pole saw comes with a low kickback bar, which measures around 10 inches. The 10-inch bar offers an extra reach of up to 15 inches. Since this pole saw comes with a bar and chain, you can start using it for any cutting job as soon as you buy it. Power. This is an electric-powered pole saw. It comes with an 8-amp inline motor that drives the chain instantly. Most users are also impressed with the fact that this pole saw operates silently. Comfort. The manufacturer of this model considered comfort during its creation. Remington RM1035P remains stable and comfortable during cutting due to its non-slip grip and anti-rotation system. This system also enhances safety during use. Verdict. Should you get the Remington RM1035P pole saw? Yes, this is worth considering, since it's a highly functional model that works as both a pole saw and a chainsaw. It also comes in a versatile design and offers extended reach. You can handle it comfortably and enjoy a quiet operation. Who is the Remington RM1035P pole saw suited for? This is suitable for someone looking for a pole saw that can help them cut small and medium-sized branches. If you need a pole saw to cut huge branches, consider getting a gas-powered one. Are there alternatives? Yes, some of them include Remington RM2599 Maverick and the Sunjo SWJ803E. The Sunjo is also an electric-powered like Remington and features a telescoping pole extension. On the other hand, the Remington RM2599 also has a low kickback bar like the RM1035P, but it is gas-powered and not electric-powered. Are you impressed with the features of this pole saw? And are you considering getting it? Let us know by leaving a comment below. And if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more videos like this.